What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. It's been a long time since I did one of these, so hopefully it goes smoothly. We're doing the top 3 filler to fill the cup case. So let's go down here and go live. Live. 8:24 p.m. It's 8:24 here in Mass. We got our list right here. We're going to go 3 times. Top 3 is going to win. And the order is St. Louis, Columbus, and Florida. So top spot's going to get St. Louis, second Columbus, third Florida. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, and 3. Muscali with St. Louis, Patrick with Columbus, Andrew with Florida Panthers. At least we got 3 different winners. Mac, you came up just short there, pal. 3 times. We'll do that last timestamp. $8.25. $8.25. There you guys go.